Purple ball. Red ball. Red ball kanina. Red purple.
Oh, first possession.
Second quarter.
First possession, red.
Roy! Jordan, challenge sa stress. Dalawang 3-point time na lang. Dalawang titira sa kanila. Isa lang yung check.
Number 24, pass to number 6. Number 23. Pass to number 24. Next, rebound by 6. Number 14, pass to number 23. Yeah! Easy super. Number 14, control the ball. Looking for distribution, pass to number 14. Buta. Pass to number 14, pass to number 2. Drive. Yes. Rebound by number 23. Number 14, Buta. Drive.
Papayin kayo. Bilog talaga yung bola.
Number 14, pass to number 24. Control.
Isa lang. Usap kayo, usap.
Number 22. Yeah, pass to number 6. Number 17. Yeah. Yes. Easy super. Ya, balik ke pasnya. Ball down. Terdepan number 15. No pass to number 6. Number 6. Pass to number 24. Yes. Red number 14. Pass to bola Rosario. Yes. Mereka sama whistle. Foul number 15.
Ano ka kuya?
Uy, tulak mo. Defense. Pula.
Ang arte ng mga purple ah.
Number 44. Control the ball, pass to number 23.
Kuya, yan na naman.
Yes! Takot na naman. Bala ni Bridget ito ah.
Buti na nga lang.
Thailand, yes. Nice super is number 14.
Defense.
Right score, 25-22. Purple team.
Defense. Isa lang.
Number 6. Right, number 29. Pass to number 14. Control the ball. Number 15. No pass to number 29. Number 3.
Harap. Hoy! Harap!
Number 2, no pass to number 23. Quick release. Rebound by number 15. Number 15. Yeah. Easy people. We're going to start 15 minutes.
Oh, check na.
Number 6, controlling the ball.
Check mo
Number 6 now. Looking for his companion.
Ayun!
Shot clock 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 3 seconds.
Defense!
3, 2. Sama Rizal.
Benson!
Foul. Number 13. Benson.
Wala nang bulit na mamaya. Magaling ka kasi ng mic, ikaw tagasalita.
Yes.
Basta!
Kita pro. Prepare for your foul.
Cover, Benson!
Yes, masuk. Waktu. Number 15. Pass to number 15. Number. 59 for number 3. Yes. Red flag. Number 6. Foul. Number 6. Personal foul. Number 6. Run foul. 59 against 53 for purple. Remaining 5 minutes. Yes.
Isa pa! Isa pa! Isa pa!
Second throw.
Chicken joy.
Yes, the big one.
Isa lang harap ha, isa lang ang harap. Isa lang mag-check. Isa lang, sayan Roy! Sayan Roy!
Number 7.
Sayan Roy!
The three. Yeah, this is 5 again. Number 29. Sumasok. Yes. Basketball number 15.
Okay, harap, isa lang. Isa lang mag-check.
Number 6 gets down the ball.
Isa lang mag-check, isa lang.
Back to number 20. Long pass to number 24. For 3. Yes. Pass to number 15. Yeah, nakasama whistle.
Time out, time out.
Kuya Marlon.
Yes.
Pag pumasok to, time out. Pumasok yung time out, ha?
Second goal. Atatris. Remaining time, 3 minutes. What is score? 27 and 29.
Ano pa?
Para naka-drug si
Hindi
Kuya.
nga nakainom eh. Hindi nga nakainom ng gamot eh.
Kasi pinakain mo.
Isa lang mag-check ha. Abol, challenge.
Back to the goal game.
Challenge.
Number 24 now, controlling the ball. Pass to number 34. Back to number 34. Yes. Yes, nice. 2 points by number 24. Rodriguez. Number 14 controlling the ball. Back to good goal.
Bawi, defense.
Number 6 controlling the ball.
Defense, oy!
Balikin na ang pass to number 34.
Uy, ayan na naman ikaw. Hindi binigay.
Sayan, pinsan!
Anong big time?
Take time. Anong foul? Walang foul.
Anong big time?
Graduate na.
Yes. Kita pro, prepare for the final. Last one. Kita pro. Yes. Last one.
RJ!
Nasa protocol, control na ball. Paso. Hey! Paso paso. Yes. Number 2. Tiana. Number 23.
Ay!
Yes!
Si Kuya! Alam mo si Kuya lang doon
Number
nagkikipaglaban.
9, welcome to the field. Yes! Number 8.
Atin! Woo! Atin!
And the second quarter.